Want to turn boring photos into eye-catching animations but don't know how? In this video, I'll show you how to use 3D zoom to add smooth depth and motion to your photos. First, import the same photo or video 3 times into the CapCut timeline. This lets us apply 3 different effects one by one and combine them smoothly. Effect 1. 3D Zoom Pro. Now open the Effects tab. Go to the Motion category. If asked, log in with your Google account. Find 3D Zoom Pro and drag it onto the first photo in the timeline. Wait a moment while the effect applies. Once the 3D Zoom Pro effect is done, trim the photo right where the zoom effect ends. Effect 2. 3D Zoom. Next, drag and drop the 3D Zoom effect onto the second photo in the timeline. Again, wait until the effect is fully applied. After the 3D zoom effect finishes, trim the photo at the exact point where the zoom ends. Effect 3. Camera Bounce. Now drag and drop the camera bounce effect onto the third photo in the timeline. Wait for the effect to apply completely. When the camera bounce effect is done, trim the photo where the motion ends. Finally, play the video and watch how all 3 effects create a smooth and dynamic 3D zoom animation. That's it. Simple steps to turn a normal photo into a powerful 3D animated shot.